Hello guys and welcome back. In this class we'll talk about 3 essential add-ons. These are the Kinora add-on, VSE transform tools, and VSE quick functions. These add-ons were written by passionate contributors. One of the beauty of open source apps. I absolutely love these for simplifying common and repetitive editing tasks via more user-friendly shortcut and more intuitive interface, without which it feels like driving a car with a manual gearbox and clutch pedals. You'll see why in later classes. The Kinora tool is already included as of version 2.79b, but it's disabled by default. To enable it, go to File, User Preference, Add-ons, type in the search bar Kinora, tick the checkbox. Next, to install VSE transform tool, we need to download its zip file from GitHub. The corresponding download links are included in the class notes, but before you pause the video to grab it, let me mention this. For those who never used GitHub, things might look a bit confusing and you might ask, where the heck is the download button? It's actually located right here. When clicked, you will see these two tabs. Just click the download zip and there you go. Remember to save it to convenient location. Now you can pause the video and give it a go. Okay, welcome back. Next, click install add-on from file. Okay, nothing happens. That is because the file has to be decompressed. So let's do that. Let's try that again. And there we go. All we need to do is enable it. One thing I almost forgot to mention. Glad I just recalled. Make sure that the Save User setting is clicked whenever an add-on is enabled or installed, otherwise the changes will be lost upon quitting Blender. So don't forget to do that in order for these add-ons to persist. Let's repeat the same procedure to add VSE quick function. Again, please make sure that you save the new settings. Now I will verify that all the add-ons we installed so far has been added and enabled successfully. This can be done by clicking the user button. Also make sure the search bar is clear. These are the two you should be getting. These are external add-ins I'm using for my 3D modeling, so don't worry about it if you don't see it. Unfortunately, the user tab only shows third-party add-ons, hence why Kinora appear to be missing. To verify it or any shipped add-on, switch to the All tab and just type its name in the search field. And there it is. I can tell it's enabled since it's checked. Another better way to do so is to hit the Enable tab. Let's not forget to clear out the search box. Here I can see all the add-ons enabled, both shipped and external. If I scroll down, I can see it in the list and the two add-ons we just installed. Finally, let me restart Blender to verify the settings has been saved. And there they are. Hadn't I saved it, I would have to repeat the whole thing every time I quitted Blender. And that concludes the class. We shall explore the individual functionalities of these add-ons later throughout the course. See you in the next lecture.